Incorporated sa pamumuno po ng kanilang CEO, President, na si Mr. John Tolentino po. At syempre, ang Santa Rita Maritime Service Incorporated.
It's been tough, but now the sun is rising. I'm ready, people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories.
Maraming salamat po sa tulong po ninyo, sa mga binigay ninyong items para sa tatlong barangay po. Sabi po ninyo, taon-taon na po. So we're hoping po, tuloy-tuloy po yung ating ugnayan sa bawat isa. Kasi po kami, mga punong barangay, bilang mga punong barangay, wala din po kami ibang hinangad, kundi po para sa aming mga kabaranggayan. So muli po, maraming salamat po sa inyo.